Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assessing pain and activating the core gently. If your pain is above 7 on a 0-10 scale, stop and seek help. Once done, breathe slowly and draw your belly button toward your spine with a half-strength contraction. Hold for a few breaths, release, repeat 5-10 times. Make sure to position your pelvis neutral and knees bent to remove strain. This first step reduces flare and primes muscles for controlled strengthening. Avoid sudden moves and keep timing steady. You now progress into controlled strengthening with exercises that respect pain limits. Start pelvic tilts for 10-15 reps at a slow tempo. This reteaches spinal mobility while engaging deep core fibers. Once done, move to the dead bug. Extend opposite arm and leg while keeping your lower back flush with the floor. Do 6-8 reps per side and focus on maintaining a neutral spine. Make sure to prioritize control over reps. Quality movement protects structures and builds endurance without overloading injured tissue. You finish by returning to functional tasks with gradual progression and a clear troubleshooting plan. Increase loads slowly, around 5-10% per week, and reintroduce standing activities in 1-2 low-intensity sets to rebuild tolerance. Once done, incorporate mobility and breathing drills into daily routines to prevent recurrence. Make sure to monitor for pain spikes. If sharp or worsening pain appears, stop, reduce load, and reassess movement patterns. The key troubleshooting tip: pain that increases with rest or night pain requires professional evaluation. Don't ignore it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.